think a lot of those people have rethought their invincibility. When I came in here 3 hours ago, I could actually look out the window of the studio right now and see the southern side of Benelux, which is no more than, I'd say, 40 yards from the window of the studio. You can't see it, okay? And remember, we're downtown. There is a bit of a wind block provided by the buildings here. So imagine if you're on the highway, think very, very long and hard before you get behind the wheel today. All right? Think, do I really have to be doing this? Because everybody who ought to know is telling you not to. 514-790-0991, star talk, or 1-800-491.
I'm just going to turn around, and then we're going to go. Then we're going to leave.
Like you say, you need help to get back home. I thank you for the call. I'm happy that you got even if you aren't, the day is just going from bad to worse, folks. Let's hear it from Danny. Welcome to CJAD.
Hello.
Hello, Danny. Go ahead.
Yeah, I'm on Highway 13. If anybody wants to put a plow, they're right in front of me, and they ain't moving.
Okay, you're on Highway 13 southbound?
Yeah, I'm on Highway 13 southbound, and northbound is running nice and smooth, but southbound is a dead stop.
Southbound has been a piece of sculpture since about 9 o'clock this morning. Whereabouts are you?
I just passed the Hickmore exit, but the point is, they're not saying anything if they're going to get us off the highway or back us up or anything, get us off the exit. Nothing at all.
Yeah, have you seen it down there?
I saw the SU go up the northbound side, but we're trying to back up they're getting started.
Good luck with that. Are you seeing any cars on the side of the road?
I saw one in the left-hand lane on the 13. I just passed it about maybe half an hour ago, and it's only maybe 2 car lengths away.
Wow.
Okay, listen, Danny, thanks for the call. Stay safe out there, and I hope those plows start to move pretty soon. 514-790-0991, star talk, or 1-800-491-CJ80.
If you're looking for big boxing week deals, you'll find them at Sears. Like right now, get a kit for a laundry bed for just $14.99.
Go home. Okay, let's bring you to your Abbas. We're gonna what?
You don't know where it's Abbas house.
I know where it is.
Yeah, he does know where it is. Just went this way to the traffic and faster. Make a video. I bet you're not gonna go. Why not? I'm not. Hey. What's that?
what we are expected to receive. Look at the window multiplied by 2. $99.98.
That's a bus that's stuck. Oh yeah, you're right. It's a bus that's stuck. Oh my god.
How are we gonna get it out?
I don't know how that thing's gonna get out. Yeah, that's a bus that's stuck.
No, we're stuck.
What? This bus is stuck.
What smell there
The bus is stuck.
is? There's a bus. Not from the bus.
Shh, Moshe, quiet, Moshe. This is really, really bad.
Bad.
This is really, really, really bad.
Can I do the thing? Can I do the taping?
No, no.
Why?
No, because you can't see, Moshe. You can't see.
I could see.
No.
I could see. I'm just gonna move. Sam, the thing is falling apart. Sam, look. This is falling apart.
It's really, really bad. Buses are stuck.
No, this thing, the hill thing, is falling apart.
No, fine. Don't worry. Go.